मार्को नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Aarti Purohit, Associate Professor, Department of Pathology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Homeopathic Sciences. In bacteriology, our today's topic is Mycobacterium Part 2. In my previous lecture, we have talked about the Mycobacterium features of regarding the morphology, culture characteristics, and the different species and their biochemical reactions. Now we will talk about the Mycobacterium tuberculosis infection. It is weakly gram positive. Mostly it is a controversial thing. It is gram positive or negative. These are the acid fast bacilli, strongly acid fast aerobic bacilli, lipid rich cell wall, making the organism resistant to disinfectant, detergents, common antibacterial antibiotics, and traditional strains. The virulence include these are the capable of intracellular growth in unactivated alveolar macrophages. This is primarily from the host response to infection. It is delayed hypersensitivity reaction actually. In epidemiology, it is worldwide. One third of the world population is infected with this organism. 16 million existing cases of the disease and 8 million new cases each year. Disease most common in Southern Asia, Sub-Saharan Africa and Eastern Europe. Approximately 20,000 new cases in US and Mongolia. Population at greatest risk for disease are the immune compromised patients like HIV infected, drug and alcohol abusers, homeless people and individual exposed to disease patient. Humans are the only natural reservoir. The person to person spread by the infective aerosols. The disease where primary infection is pulmonary. Most of the time it is pulmonary. But it is not almost always. Dissemination to any body site occur most commonly is immune compromised patient and untreated patients. Diagnosis includes the positive PPD plus chest X-ray. Purified, this is Montube's test actually. Purified derivatives are there. Diagnosis include the microscopy and cultures are sensitive and specific. Direct detection by molecular probes is relatively insensitive. In treatment, now there is a MDR tuberculosis, MDR multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, which is a serious global health threat. This occurs because not taking the proper antibiotics. Multiple drug regimen and prolonged treatment are required to prevent development of drug-resistant strain. Regimen recommended for treatment include ionized and rifampicin for 9 months with pyrazinamide and ethambutol and streptomycin added for drug-resistant strain. Prophylaxis for exposure to tuberculosis can include isoniazid for 8 months, rifampicin for 4 months, or rifampicin and pyrazinamide for 2 months. Pyrazinamide and ethambutol and levofloxacin are used for 6 to 12 months following exposure to drug-resistant Mycobacterium tuberculosis. In immune prophylaxis, the BCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin, which is the attenuated strains of the Mycobacterium bovis in endemic countries, are used. Control of the disease through active surveillance, prophylactic and therapeutic intervention and careful case monitoring should be necessary. In typical progression of pulmonary tuberculosis, there is a pneumonia, granuloma formation with fibrosis, caseous necrosis, calcification, and cavity formation. Central liquefy and empty into the bronchi. There is a chest X-ray with active pulmonary tuberculosis. You can see the shadows and apical lobe. These lobes are involved. Now this is a review of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which I already discussed you about all the things. This is again this is all about the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Now our government of India is continuing many programs to control the Mycobacterium tuberculosis infection, but we are people are not supporting. That's why we are not get much success in this program. Um, uh, I just want to give the message to my students that please aware all the public in your near dear regarding the pulmonary tuberculosis, that they should take the proper treatment for proper period. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this session. If any query, mention it in comment box.